How to like a message on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have an updated and latest version of the WhatsApp application on your device. After that, go to your WhatsApp application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on the profile or the chat or the message that you want to like. So I'm going to go for this profile over here where I've received some message. So if I want to like the message on WhatsApp, what I'm going to do is tap on the message, double click the message, or make a long press on the message, and you'll be able to see different emojis on how you can react. So for example, if I like this message and I want to react with a heart or with the OK button, then tap on that, and there you go, you have liked a message on WhatsApp. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.